Assalamualaikum for class. How are you all? Today we will solve exercise based on chapter number 1 to 4. So let's start. Our first question, the word compute means to dash. Option A category, option B calculate, option C common, and answer is option B calculate. Dash means raw facts and figures. Option A output, option B information, option C data, and answer is option C data. The result of processed data is called dash. Option A data, option B output, option C input, and answer is option B output. A computer works on the principle of dash cycle. Option A OIP, option B IPO, option C PIO, and answer is option B IPO. Dash means to do some work without any error. Option A versatility, option B accuracy, option C speed, and answer is option B accuracy. A computer always follows your dash. Option A instruction, option B income, option C internet. Answer is option A instruction. A computer cannot take its own dash. Option A work, option B demand, option C decision, and answer is option C decisions. You can use a dash to schedule your appointment. Option A candle, option B cook, option C calendar, and answer is option C calendar. Dash is used to record sound into the computer. Option A telephone, option B microphone, option C scanner, and answer is option B microphone. Dash looks like an upside down mouse. Option A volleyball, option B basketball, option C trackball, and answer is option C trackball. Dash is a pointing device. Option A mouse, option B monitor, option C money, and answer is option A mouse. Dash is a sequence of black line on white background. Option A Unicode, option B barcode, option C card code, and answer is option B barcode. To permanently delete a file or folder, press dash. Option A control plus delete, option B shift plus delete, and option C table plus delete, and answer is option B shift plus delete. A moving text or picture on computer screen is called dash. Option A desktop, option B icon, option C screensaver, and answer is option C screensaver. Dash acts like a dustbin of the computer. Option A files, option B recycle bin, option C windows, and answer is option B recycle bin. A dash contains the information on the computer. Option A type, option B file, option C file, answer is option B file. Next, fill in the blanks. A computer is an dash machine, electronic. Computer cannot dash and dash, think and imagine. Dash is process data, information is calculating or dash the data, sorting. Data is raw dash or dash facts or figures. A computer works at high dash speed. You can dash to song on the computer, listen. Dash means to perform many activities at the same time. Versatility. A computer cannot detect dash input given by user, wrong. A computer is an dash machine, electronic. Dash is used to play games on a computer, joystick. Dash is commonly used in laptops, touchpad. Dash is used to read and scan the text, scanner. Dash is a pen-shaped pointing device, light pen. Dash is the brain of the computer, CPU. A folder is a collection of dash files. Recycle bin stores the dash items deleted. Dash icon contains file and folders, document. Dash means to change the name of a file, rename. To quit Windows, click start button and then shut down. A dash looks like an upside down mouse. It has a ball that is rotated. To move the cursor on the screen, trackball. Dash allows the user to enter input by simply touching the display screen, touch screen. The CPU has three parts, ALU, CU and dash MU. It stores all the data of the computer system. It is also present inside the CPU box. It is a dash hard disk. A dash is a collection of different files, folder. Next, true and false. Computer works slowly, false. Computer stores lot of information, true. Computer gets tired easily, false. Data is processed information, false. Computer converts the instruction into binary codes, true. CPU is common processing unit, false. A computer works at high speed, true. A computer cannot store a large amount of data. False. You can play games and listen to music on a computer at the same time. True. Accuracy and versatility are important features of a computer. True. You cannot type letters on a computer. False. ALU stands for arithmetic and long unit. False. Speakers are used to hear the sounds. True. Barcode readers are used in supermarket. True. Scanner is an output device. False. Light pen is a ball-shaped device. False. You can also copy a file by pressing Ctrl+C. True. Small pictures on desktop are called items. False. Windows 7 is not an operating system. False. You can create more than one new folder. True. Okay students, solve these exercise on your notes, July task, and also learn them. Have a nice day.